Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1970 Plymouth GTX killer car, guys. I absolutely love this car. Finished in the factory Y4 gold. I think they call this Citron Mist. Great car, man. Really kind of a collector quality Mopar. Car was actually restored right around here, but I actually bought the car in North Carolina. Nice little history. Looks like it was restored 2017, 2018. I can't say I know the mileage since the car was done, but it doesn't look like they put a whole lot of miles on the car. Completely documented by Dave Wise. I have all the Dave Wise report on it. It got his seal of, what's he call it? All matching numbers, which I think he refers to as the engine, the trans, and the rear. Factory 440, 4-speed car, Dana rear end, air grabber hood, which I love. That is the, I think it's the coolest option that Chrysler ever put on these cars. Factory black interior, and like I say, just killer. 70 GTXs are tough to come by. And then when you see how nice this car is, it really limits, you know, your pick of finding these things. You can see they did the blacked out hood treatment. It's got the black side stripes, 15-inch Rallyes with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. And killer car, hits the road good. We actually got the sun to pop up, which if we probably waited a little bit, we could run it down the road, but I got 3 of these things lined up I'm trying to get videos done on today before the ice and snow come back. Chrome and stainless are nice. Of course, it's got the optional hood pins. Bumpers are really nice. They've definitely been replaced. I know as you walk around, I saw a couple little blemishes in the paint, but not much, man. It is turnkey. Go have some fun. Air grabber works. Glass is nice on the car. It's got the optional hood mount turn signals. Again, the air grabber works. Beautiful Y4 gold paint. When I shot the pictures, it was dull and nasty, and all of a sudden the sun popped out. This is a pretty car though. Rear defog. Rear deck spoiler. You can nitpick these a little bit, but man, pretty doggone nice, guys. Yeah, this is the side that's actually, this a little bit worse than that passenger side. Nice and straight down the sides. Stone chip there. I believe this car's got all the original quarters on it. They've definitely replaced those bumpers. Good looking Mopar right there. Hits the road great, shifts out nice. I think these are 275s on the rear. So it's got a little meat underneath it. Gorgeous Mopar right there. Again, matching numbers. 440. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got an aftermarket Edelbrock Torker intake on it. Power steering. It's got TTI ceramic headers on it. If I remember it, I think you said it's got the wrong radiator in it. It's an 072 radiator. My buddy Mike would be able to tell me that for sure. Again, matching numbers, 4-speed manual transmission. The fender tag, I do believe he said was a replacement fender tag too, but there is a broadcast sheet with this car as well. They've added electronic ignition. Again, detailed up very nice underneath the hood here. drums on the front, if I remember. Yeah, factory drum brakes. Gorgeous car. Gorgeous car. A-pillar chrome looked pretty darn good there. Factory chrome remote mirror. Door handles looked original. Show a little wear. Looks like they've replaced the window fuzzies. Door rubbers are new. Factory black interior. Factory bucket seats, console. It's got the pistol grip shifter. It's got the Rallye dash with the Tach gauges. Even the clock works. Interior's really nice. And again, the car's just a pleasure to drive. Shifts out great. The steering wheel's in great shape. Again, it looks like they've redone that Tach. Gauges look original. Couple little marks in your dash there. 13,000. That's 113. I don't, like I said, don't know the miles since it's been restored. Radio didn't work. Air grabber switch worked. Reverse light switch worked. Blower motor worked. I didn't try the rear view or the rear defog. Parking brake works. Good sounding X pipe. Dual exhaust system in it with the chrome tips. Again, Dana 354 sure grip rear end. And again, all the drivetrain was verified as matching numbers by Wise. All body color. It's got the old bias ply, dual white line, white wall spare, factory jack. I believe this stuff right here is all the restoration receipts. This is all the Dave Wise stuff in the broadcast sheet. Again, everything opens and closes nice. Car's nice and clean underneath. They've got the aftermarket aluminum Dana cover there. Floors are nice on the car. Yeah, nice and straight down the sides. Door seams are clean. And I can't believe how nice it is right now. We got a storm chasing us, which is just crazy. Seats are nice. They've been all repadded and refoamed. Dash looks good. Gotta love that pistol grip. Go ahead, Mike, you fired up. Again, same thing on this side with your door handle. Looks like most of the glass, except for the front windshield, was replaced. Again, A-pillar chrome's nice. Air grabbers off also. See if I can do this with the hood pins. One-handed. Look at that. Good looking car right there, man. 70 GTXs are not easy to come by, guys. Very hard to come by. Back works. I don't know if your oil pressure gauge is the only thing in there that wasn't working. I don't know if that temp gauge was working either. Alternator worked. Again, parking brake works. Doors open and close good. Give it a little rev, Mike. Reverse so you can see that light works. Reverse light works, yep. I thought they worked in the back. Leave it in reverse there for a second, right? Yeah, I'm doing the reverse lights work. Yeah. Yeah, they work. Wipers. Love that option right there, man. I think that's the coolest option they ever came out with on any car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to get in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.